up first is a bunch of Democrats say, well, why did the Republicans want to defund this? Why, it's the law of the land. You can't change that. Why, it's the law of the land.
Listen, a bill that passed over 3 years ago and is the law of the land, found constitutional by the Supreme Court.
Obamacare is the law of the land.
The law of the land and upheld by the Supreme Court.
Obamacare is the law of the land.
The law of the land. The health care law continues to be the law of the land.
This is the law of the land.
The law of the land, Obamacare.
Now, this is the party that all they seem to talk about when the Supreme Court gets into gear is precedent. So it's the law of the land, right? Well, let's see. What else at one time was the law of the land? Slavery. And there was even one time the Supreme Court upheld it. You ever heard of the Dred Scott decision in the Justice Roger Taney? Yeah, slavery used to be the law of the land. Let's see. What else used to be the law of the land? Marriage between a man and a woman used to be the law of the land. And then the Democrats came along. That's discriminatory. It's not fair. It's not right. It doesn't matter. It's a bad law. And they said, we're going to change it. It's a law of the land. You can't. Is that the only way they can defend this? Is that the best they've got? Is the law of the land? Speed limit used to be 55. It was the law of the land. Now it's 70. And before that it was 70. Then they made it 55. That was the law of the land. Defense and Marriage Act was the law of the land. Immigration law, those law of the land. Guns, Second Amendment, law of the land. Why don't any of these laws count? The Democrats are trying to attack everything they don't like. That's the law of the land. Laws against marijuana, law of the land. It's an endless list here. Defense and Marriage Act, law of the land. Obama said, you know what? We don't even like it. We're not even going to defend it anymore. Screw it. Immigration, law of the land. State of Arizona tried to maintain and defend the law of the land, and the regime sued the state of Arizona.